Okay, so we've locked that in. You can see there it's now locked. Locked there as well. So we now put the cover back on. Long screw in. And that's your upper fuse unit completely done, ready to go for another, I don't know, 10 to 20,000 pages, 30 if you're lucky. And we're going to get the lower section. Okay, lower section hooked back on. And goes over. Now you hold the unit like this with your hand, and then you need to reattach the springs to the end of the claw on both ends. So this is quite difficult to do one-handed, so I'm probably not going to be able to do it. Okay, so we've reattached both springs. Either end, so the lower's now back on. And next is we put the paper guide back on. This only goes on one way around, just remember. So it's in, one long screw, one long screw. Sorry about the jerkiness of the video, but I don't own a tripod. You probably all got seasick by now, but no one else is going to show you a video like this. So. And that's it. There's your fuse unit rebuilt, ready to go for another cycle. Incidentally, if when you're pulling it apart you notice you've got any marks on this roller, the lower pressure roller, if there's any grease or carbon on the ends, you can just clean it off with a rag with turpentine. Try not to use methylated spirits or alcohol on this roller. It's best to use turpentine, as of course alcohol sends rubber rock hard, which is why they say not to use that ethanol, 10% ethanol fuel in aviation, in planes, helicopters, because it sends rubber rock hard and wrecks everything. So I use turpentine. That does the best job I've found. And that's it. So there it is, ready to go back into the machine. Just follow the other videos in reverse about removing, putting it back in, and you're ready to go for another cycle. There's the roller we pulled out. You can see there where the rubber underneath is just given away. And the reason this happens is it's just simply because the surface area of the rubber is smaller than in the other rollers. The rubber's not particularly bonded very well to the aluminium underneath, I don't think. I think that's part of the problem. I found these rollers that I use to repair the unit with that are for sale on my website. They seem to be lasting a bit longer, yeah, that's how to fix it. So you can either purchase the roller and follow this video and do it yourself. The other thing you can do is you can remove this fuser unit, send it to me. I will fit the roller for you and post back. The costs are there on the website. Or alternatively, if you don't feel that you're up to this, you can give us a call and we will come out and do it for you on site at your business or your home. The cost varies depending on your location. Just ring us and we'll give you a quote over the phone. Or alternatively, if you purchase one set of our toner cartridges, now our toner cartridges, I've tested them and they seem to not cause this issue. Well, they do after about 50,000 pages, but they don't seem to do the damage as much. Our toners, a complete set, costs $360. We'll bring you a set of toners and we'll fit this roller to your machine for free. So all you're paying for is the toner cartridges. You don't pay for the parts, the labour, or for us to drive there. And a lot of people seem to think that's a pretty good deal. Okay, so if you do decide to do this yourself, you're doing this on your own basis. We accept no liability for any damages that you may cause to doing this. If you break anything in the process of replacing this roller, you have stuffed it. You've basically stuffed it, because Brother will only sell you, last time I checked, a complete unit. They won't sell you the roller just by itself, because there's no part number for this roller in any Brother service manual or catalogue. There's only a part number listed for the entire unit. So yeah, that's it. So good luck, have a good day, and we'll see you next time.